Hey guys, today we're cutting a license plate bracket for a trailer to replace these crappy plastic ones that come with the light kits. I already cut one, but I decided to make a video here. There it is. So yeah, these plastic ones, they're always problematic over time. The plastic gets old, cracks, and then you end up losing your plate on the highway. Anyway, let's just zero out the torch up here. Make sure we got material. And that'll be a Y0 there. Make sure we're clearing there. And the X, Z. Let's just check the screen there. Make sure we got enough material, and we do. Alright, ready to go. Cycle start. That's it. Got another license plate bracket. Just got to do a couple bends in the brake and paint her up and get her mounted.